Hasta que andan de tarea los huesos. La que no fue si la prende mi no.
Yo! Oh, let the beast out! Hey! Yo! Alright then! Bruh! Yes, I'm on time. I'm perfectly on time. Bro, Yailin was viral. Features Lil Tjay Step Up music video has not released. Like what? Yo, this is gonna be insane, bro. This is gonna be lit. I mean, like, yo, look. Let me introduce myself, right? If you're new here, I'm from Jamaica, and for the person who are returning, welcome back. But one question: do anyone here who is watching this video is a major fan of our Jamaican icon, Bob Marley? Please let me know down in the comments, and let's see how much of a fan you are to Bob Marley. So guys, without further ado, let's take a walk into this wonderful collaboration by these two giants in the game. Peace. Yo, my girl is sexy as usual. She is sexy as usual, man. Damn.
Diamonds on me, bustin', see the rocks hit. Cover rhyme through the op strip. Cover them now and finally got shit. Money steady coming, no they wish a nigga stop this. Whoa.
Bro, he's a lyrical genius. Bro. This man makes music so good, so awesome, bro. I'm a Jamaican and I'm a big fan of Lil Tjay. Trust me.
Who wanna die, tell him step up. It's about 1.5, my neck up. Swaggy nigga, bitches love me, I ain't gotta dress up. All that shit you doing on the process. No, I know what.
Yo, bro is killing it. Yo, bro is riding the beat. Bro is spitting bars, man. Bars, bro. Blow. Whoa. This is magnificent.
They love me cause I got cheese. Hanging around in them hot V's. If the cops come, do not freeze. Hanging to my city, whacking shit, they moving wacky. Man kill man like he body.
Yo, bro, I beg you please, man. Ease up from off my lady, bro. Come on, man. Come on, bro. Yo, guys, I'm jealous, man. I'm jealous because how can he have my female there in the corner? Damn, man. Oh! Yo, no, bro, please, man. Just cut out that crap, bro.
Beat the trenches, pop, Lisa hit it there, cause a nigga cocky. Though the police looking up, they tryna watch me. Look, I never fold if they got me. I'm a real one. Yeah.
Yo, this man is a killer when it comes down to lyrics, style, potency, right? Words play. He's a master at those things, bro. When it comes down to swag, right? Style, pattern, check Lil Tjay. Bro, he's the king, man. Damn, bro. Damn. And to see, right, a king and a queen collaborating together to give us such authentic music. I'm all in, man. I'm all in, bro.
York City, where you're gonna nigga frontin', I'ma kill some. Probably go to start this blow out the bag like just another day when you live in the fast life. Yeah. Diamonds on me, bustin', see the rocks hit.
Yo, this music is sick. Oh my god. The bars in this music, it's totally badass, man.
Cover rhyme through the op strip. Cover them now and finally got shit. Money steady coming, no they wish a nigga stop this. Whoa, who wanna die, tell him step up. It's about.
Yo, Lil Tjay have some of the smoothest transition in the music video. Some of the greatest swags in the music video. And he's also featuring with a queen Damn, bro. Yo, this is gonna be lit. I'm just eager to hear what Miss Lama's Vara is gonna come with, because right now, this song is bars, man.
1.5 my neck up. Swaggy nigga, bitches love me, I ain't gotta dress up. All that shit you doing on them pressers, no.
Son perritas viralata que andan detrás de los huesos. La que no fue si la prende, mi no.
Yo, oh, let the beast out. Hey, oh, let the beast out. Hey, oh, let the beast out. Yo, yo, Miss Lama's Barrel, you gonna kill this? Yo, who let her out, man? Who let the beast out?
Hombre que tiene peso, se la pasan criticando, no tengo que ver con eso. Te lo pongo a que lo gastes y de espalda me beso. Ando sin seguridad, a mí me protege la calle. Si se arma un corredor.
Yo, bro, look. This female, right? She's the greatest from Dominican Republic. She's a Republican, but damn, bro, yo, I'm not sure, but right now, I'm snatching her away. I am snatching her away, because ain't no way she's killing this dog. Yo, dog, yo. And the reason why she went down like that is to show me. And I love when female went down so low, shaking that bam bam.
Pero ustedes no es que la haya, si se pasan que no falle. Que eso no es que la guaye, porque se quemaron todas andando duro en la calle. Yo soy la del sonido, la real bad bitch, la que mata los cueros y también.
Yo, this female is gonna get me in trouble, man. Oh my lord, yo, she's gonna get me in trouble, bro. Bro, some positions here. Damn. Right through. Oh, bullseye. Dog, yo. Yo, she's the best. Hey, she's a queen, you know? She's a queen, guys. She's a queen, man. People, she's a queen.
Lo vi, tú vives tu vida muy pendiente a mí. Y el marido tuyo es mi DLV.
Diamonds on me, bustin', see the rocks hit. Cover rhyme through the option.
Sweet music, bro. Yo, the music is so sweet. Her voice is so sweet. Bro is killing it. This is a perfect combination of a collaboration, bro. I ain't copying, bro. Perfect.
Cover them now and finally got shit. Money steady coming, no they wish a nigga stop this. Whoa, who wanna die? Tell them step up. It's about 1.5 my neck.
Yo, this female, she's gorgeous as fuck, bro. She's gorgeous as a sunflower, man. That's how beautiful she really is, man. She's so brightly shining, beautiful. Trust me.
Swaggy nigga, bitches love me, I ain't gotta dress up. All that shit you doing on the pressers.
Bro, the way how she cocks up that body. Damn, yo. Right through, bro. Oh, shit. This is some beautiful music. And regardless of the beautification of the music, the female here, she's sexy. The G here is dope. Bro, this is an awesome music video. Trust me. If you guys enjoy this reaction, please leave a like on the video. Smash that subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next suggested video. Peace.